Anti-globalization is a trend that has just begun to take place in the global economy. Globalization trends really began to occur in the early 2000s when China joined the World Trade Commission. That really inspired a period of lower wages and lower wage growth because jobs could be outsourced overseas. Companies that had multinational operations could get cheaper labor in other countries. Now we're starting to see a sentiment of anti-globalization, and you could hear it actually in President Biden's State of the Union speech. But if you listen to other world leaders, they're saying from the same tune. President Biden talked about the benefits and some of the requirements of bringing manufacturing back onshore versus allowing global companies to offshore some of their manufacturing. And I think that's going to bleed into the cost of prices and goods and labor for companies that have global operations, which may, inspire investors to look at small and mid-cap companies that may have more domestic operations than large cap multinational corporations that rely on overseas labor to keep their margins. This globalization trend has helped keep inflation low over the last couple of decades. As we see this trend reverse, I would expect that the target inflation rate from the Federal Reserve is going to have to come above 2% because people won't be able to keep their costs low and prices low, and wage growth will likely be a mainstay of the economy, the global economy, for multinational companies that are producing goods and services across the globe.